Hi, I'm Julie Luma with Off the Wall Quilt, and I'm going to show you how to use our 10-inch AQSR ruler. Let me show you a couple great features on the back. We've got slip stop here that's going to hold my fabric so it can't move anywhere, and I also have an adjustable strip guide right along here, so it's a little bit of a raised up edge. Now, going back to the front of the ruler, that guide is adjustable by simply loosening up my wing nuts and sliding my guide to any measurement that I want up to 10 inches. I'm going to cut a 2.5 inch strip right now, so I line up my edge on 1, 2, 3 lines, and then I know I've got a nice straight edge. We've kept the lines and numbers simple on our rulers so they're easy to find. Now here's one really cool feature. You won't have to go looking at your numbers anymore. So you can't go along and cut a 2.5, a 2.5, and oops, I cut a 2 and a 4. Not gonna happen because we're locked in here. Now I'm going to butt this edge right up to the edge of my fabric. It can be anywhere from 1 to 10 layers underneath there. Today I'm cutting 4. So when I get ready to cut, I'm going to slide my hand right up to my finger guard right here. I know my fingers are safe there. You can see that the weight of my hand is enough to sink that slip stop right into the fabric, and it's going to grip it. I don't have to finger dance, I don't have to white knuckle, and I don't have to lay my arm on there. The weight of my hand is enough so that I can cut end to end and get a nice straight strip every single time.